Hey, it's Kunal here. आप सब कैसे? आई होप लोग अच्छे होंगे. मैं भी अच्छा हूँ. So today I'm gonna show you my full individual football training sessions. I'm gonna showing how I'll do. So let's go, guys. Dynamic warm up. So I always start with begin my training sessions with about 5 to 10 minutes warm up. It's getting a lot of dynamic movements. Into beginning with make sure each and those movements are dynamically preparing the body for the training session. So I like to put my body through different movements that I might encounter during my training sessions. As you can see, I'm doing some back pedals, some side to side and different movements, all those multiple directions movements that a football player encounters. And ready for the training session. Then after 5 to 10 minutes warm up, I'll go into some dribbling warm up including power and curve walk. I still consider this part of my warm up, just a great way to get muscles fiber even more activate, fired up. So I'm going to dribble and stop the ball at each cone before backpedaling to the start cone each time. As you can see, it's very simple warm up with ball. Repeat this drill 4 set to 6 set as quick as you can. Now I went into some activations work with resistance band. Here I would really recommend them. So these just fired up those hard to warm up areas, especially into the hips, flexors and the glutes, which take a little bit more to switch them on. If they are not activated, what happens is another part of your body overcome for it. This is how we get those overuse injury. So I would recommending incorporating some kind of band work into the start of your session. That's gonna help with your performance and help reduce risks of injury. Now I went into some fast speed plus sprint exercises. In here I'm going to be doing to start working on a little bit of lateral bounce. We are going to hop to the side, hold for a second, get our balance, then we are going to explode of this leg and just sprint through the gap. And we are going to do 2 on our right leg and 2 on our left leg. We need to balance both sides. And we have to try and get a balance on both sides because most of us are dominant on one side. So you have to do 2 each side, total 4 repetitions. So I went into some SAQ. So this is very simple exercise here, just doing some fast speed at the beginning. As you can see, going through the cones, some lateral shuffles and then out to the cones with some change of directions, getting low around those diagonal cones. But I would recommend it incorporating SAQ into your training sessions 2 to 3 times per week. It's really going to help you with your speed because it activates those fast switch muscle fibers, but it's also going to help you with your foot coordinations. The more coordinate you are with your feet, it's just going to improve your performance overall. So every player should do SAQ 2 to 3 times per week minimum. And in this drill, a lots of footwork patterns and also some change of directions in a very short amount of time. As you can see, after first exercise, I change up the footwork pattern at the beginning. So you have to do 2 times each exercise, total 4 repetitions, and rest between 20 to 30 seconds. now I went into next exercise. It's going to be a little bit of SAQ. While we are doing this, we focus on speed, agility, quicknesses. So we are going to start off like this, just on the side, just going to be step through one foot side to side 4 times. All we are going to do is side shuffle through here to the cone, sharp card as you can see, then 8 round here, sprint all the way back, nice and easy. We are just going to through that. Now change the footwork pattern. In here we are going to do back foot out 4 times through here, this time knee ups and cut away, and the same thing here as you can see. Now we move into the 7 drill. This is the setup. So we are going to work on our ball mastery through the tight space while dribbling with the ball. So the first exercise, we are going to dribble outside of our feet. So we are going to dribble up, push it through with outside, push it forward, push it through with the outside of the opposite foot and forwards after the top. Same thing on the way back. Second time we are going to do step over. So I'm going to do step over, then push it through the outside feet, then again step over, then again push it through the outside feet, and the same thing happen on the way back. In this drill, the final exercise, we going to use the solo boat feet. So we going to dribble it up, use the right foot, push it forward, use the left foot, push it forward up to the top, all the way back, and then that's one circuit. So what we are going to do is repeat the entire circuit 4 times through getting touches with all the different surface areas of both feet. In this drill, you need 3 cones. As you can see, I have placed mine 2 steps. If you want more space, you can increase step apart more. All we are going to be doing is dribbling the ball using the outside of our right foot beside the laces, trying to take a touch ball with every step, and as we'll notice, using left and right both feet on the way up, and I'm switching feet as you can see. Then I'm going with my left foot one time and right foot one time, really trying to take touch with ball every step to keep it close to the body. You can speed this drill up as you can get more confidence with it, and you can do this drill to with right foot and to with left foot. Then I went into some dribbling activity. So got a gate where I'm starting with the ball, and then the cones in the middle are all 3 steps apart. So I am a lot wider, so this means I can dribble a lot quicker through them with the ball, still trying to keep control, making sure it does not away from me and keeping it close to the body. And I am focusing on this dribbling, just trying to get through the cones as quickly as possible, making sure those touches are controlled so it does not get away. And you can do this drill each leg 3 times. So now I went into Ashley Young speed endurance drill. I'm going to sprint from the corner line to 18-yard box and back twice as you can see. Then sprint to the halfway line and back twice, and again sprint to the opposing corner line and back twice. So today's training session is done. I hope you guys like it. सो टुडेज प्रैक्टिस हैज़ बीन डन एज यू कैन सी, वेरी सिंपल इंडिविजुअल ये वर्कआउट था मेरा। आपने देखा थोड़ा आज गर्मी ज़्यादा था इसलिए मैं पूरा 100% कर नहीं पाया, पर जितना हो सके मैं ट्राई किया आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए। बहुत गर्मी था क्योंकि अभी शायद 10:30 हो गया होगा, सो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है आसाम में। सो ये आप लोग ये करते रहेंगे तो आपका इम्प्रूव होगा ऑन द पिच, और आप चॉइस करके भी कर सकते हैं इंडिविजुअली अलग अलग एक्सरसाइज। तो वेरी सिंपल है। और अगर आपको कुछ भी पूछना है तो आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं। So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stylish, fit and healthy. Bye.